That will all move to digital. And when it does, it will create massive wealth, the greatest wealth creation opportunity I'm gonna see in my lifetime, for sure. Every bond, every currency, every commodity, every piece of art, every bottle of fine wine, every collectible car, every piece of real estate, every private business, everything of value in the world will eventually be a token. And people were sniggering and they're like, yeah, whatever. And now we know it's true, right? Y'all are proof, positive. The talent migration into this space that has recognized that this adoption of technology, this evolution, it's not a revolution, it's an evolution of technology, that everything of value will be a token on a blockchain. Not a coin, not a thing, it's literally a line item on a public ledger. Everything of value will be that. And every transaction of value will happen in digital assets. And the fact that, as Dan says, is happening and will continue to happen has nothing to do with the price of a coin on an exchange. Because 83% of the world in which I came from, the institutional world, pensions and endowments and still have zero exposure.
Yeah,
83% have zero. So that's my hashtag get off
And
zero.
they've gone
More
to
than
cash.
83.
And they've gone to cash.
No, I mean in crypto. They're
Yeah.
broadly.
Right.
Zero. And it's this realization that, look, the internet busted the monopoly of information control. Information was controlled by governments. It used to be controlled by the church. Then it was controlled by governments and government state-owned media and state-influenced media. And that was busted wide open. And commerce was bigger than media, and that got disrupted by the mobile net. Well, the truth net, I used to call it the trust net, but we're replacing trust with truth. So I like truth net better. And the truth net takes value and banking and financial services and derivatives, which are orders of magnitude bigger than commerce. I mean, as big as Amazon is. But financial services in the digital age isn't different than financial services for thousands of years. It's just a better way from analog, where we had to physically be present, right? The Buttonwood Tree, you had to come. If you've seen the movie Gangs of New York, it was not a pleasant walk down the street with the guys with the top hats that would come steal your stuff. So then they went to electronic, QSIPs. The QSIPs are stupid. We have pieces of paper in Dallas, Texas that sit in file drawers that have electronic QSIPs related to them. That is 400-year-old technology. We don't need the pieces of paper. Wipe out all of DTCC, which processes $1.8 quadrillion a year. That is a large number, okay? And it's owned by the banks, shocking, I know. And they're really happy that it exists because it's like a mutual insurance company, they get paid. So that will all move to digital. And when it does, it will create massive wealth, the greatest wealth creation opportunity I'm gonna see in my lifetime, for sure. Yeah.
You usually mention Swift,
Yeah.
right?
Exactly. Yeah.